entrance area of my house that's kind of plain, and I wanted to make it decorative, and I got this plaque right here. So this can be used as a frame that you put on the wall, and you can also put it on the shelf just like this. So I can go ahead and just put it like that, and it makes it look very beautiful. I absolutely love how it just adds meaning to this space that I have right here, and it's kind of like a prayer as you come into the house. Absolutely love it. Or I can go ahead and just put it against the wall like that to give it a more statement. So if you want to put it against the wall, there are hooks right over here that you can use to hook and connect. It's a wooden rustic frame that has absolutely great wording and inspiration wording to it. So I love it, and I think it's a beautiful addition to my home.